the track.
I really paid out cash for that. Nigga, that's facts. I don't really care, they can stay mad. Nigga, I'm good.
Yeah, I've been riding for a minute, man. I could have been gave y'all like a POV. Let me see what's up. I'm finna try to do it now. I was finna head to the hot, but I might see some more shit out here. So yeah, I just seen a Hellcat. I just seen some niggas just fly past me in some old Mustang. It sounded good though, but I should have been recording. But they tint so fucking dog. Barely see on the fucking camera. It look good though. Hellcat I seen that was a red eye. He need to start it on YouTube. Niggas just be running the Hellcats. I fuck with them because they ain't gotta prove shit. The road trying to record for y'all, like. Get over. I'll get your ass over at the same time.
It's a Challenger.
Yeah, no, it's a Camaro. It's an old one. Bitch be shooting a chopper. Bitch shoot a Glock, nigga. Yeah, she black here. Y'all can't even see her.
Don't play with me.
She love you wanna say I'm just black here.
Kiss you in.
Gotta run to the sun now. If not, I'm still just gonna post it because I ain't posting that on my YouTube in like 13 days.
Why you ain't said that no, bro?
It been about 12, 13.
Why you just say a couple days?
But in a couple days, like 2 days.
Bro, that's right.
What I mean, over there, Paul, over there.
Shit.
No, yeah, you see it.
Yeah.
Can't see shit. So I like guitar right here. You glad, nigga? Yeah. Man. Hey, the window crack. And I said this shit like it'll be alright. You gonna look dead in my face when you at Chicago. I see a Lambo. I think it's like a, I don't really know the Lambo like that, but a Huracan or some shit. It'd be night though. Probably is a Huracan. Sorry, without a damn diffuser. That bitch sounds stupid. Man, I'm showing they had the goddamn steering wheel. My bad, y'all. He probably got that bit on the way. He got quiet to us. Probably just added that shit.
See, you got them lights.
Oh, yeah. Y'all probably ain't see my damn tent, dog, as a motherfucker.
I don't like how they sound.
He turned up in that bitch. He was. I don't know. He damn so mad. Oh yeah, he might be going now. Y'all can't see him either. I don't even want to show him that I'm recording his ass. Too mad. He been running down light. Oh yeah, he mad, y'all. Night.
Yeah, I need your ego slow it sound like.
Boy, I got no quieters on this. Supposed to sound good though. That bitch sounded good, y'all nigga.
Yeah.
Yeah, I ain't no action out this bitch. My city lame as hell. I don't see nobody out. There's a lot of niggas with a lot of sport cars out here though, but shit. I don't know, they is. Then down here, they like to party and shit. I don't really be with that shit like that. I don't even get out for real. I'm just out because me and my girls just went out to eat and shit. That's the only reason I'm out. I'm probably gonna take it in, man. They're gonna take it in. I'm finna give y'all a little pull on the interstate. Track. I've been transform. Fucking up. I don't mind that shit. But yeah, man, if y'all watched all the way to the end, like, comment, and subscribe, man. Hit that post notification bell. Go on, goddamn, subscribe to Flexing Game, man. More videos on the way. Stay tuned.
Yeah, flexing hard, bitch, I'm up, I swear to God. I'm so used to counting money, I'm counting million in the